Mirover Portable AC is being promoted as a compact device that can cool your room like an air conditioner. But the real question is whether it actually delivers real cooling, or if it's just clever marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Devices like Mirover are usually evaporative air coolers, which use water and a fan to create a cooling effect. However, here's the key point. It is not a real air conditioner, and that makes a huge difference. There are some limited positives. These devices can provide a slight cooling sensation if you sit close to them work, as a fan plus humidifier combo be portable, cheap, and energy efficient. For personal use at a desk or bedside, you might feel a small difference. That said, the limitations are major. First, no real cooling power. Unlike true AC units, these don't use compressors or refrigerants, so they can't actually lower room temperature. Second, they don't work well in humid climates. Evaporative cooling is far less effective when humidity is high, which makes them especially weak. Third, misleading advertising. Many ads show instant room cooling, but in reality, they only blow slightly cooler, damp air. Real user sentiment reflects this. They don't actually cool a room, just blow damp air. So, is Mirover real cooling or just marketing? It's mostly marketing with a small amount of real function. The bottom line is this. Mirover Portable AC can give minor personal cooling, but it won't cool a room or replace a real air conditioner. If you expect strong cooling, you'll likely be disappointed. But as a small desk fan alternative, it can still be usable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.